So if you're in the market for tires, you'll probably come across General Tire and you're wondering, what is General Tire? The name might imply that it's a basic brand, but it's actually far from that. So General makes a bunch of tires. Their entire tire lineup is absolutely massive. But we're gonna kind of focus on the three that you're probably looking for if you're shopping for tires in the truck market. So that's gonna be our ATX, our X3, and the APT, which I'm gonna call it an all-purpose tire. So we'll start there, that's the least aggressive. So that's gonna be like your OEM replacements. You know, they make tires for wheels that are anywhere from like 16 to 20 inches. They are 3-peak mountain snowflake rated, so if you live in a snowy climate or an area that requires a snow rated tire by law, they got you covered there. But like I said, it's mostly in the like OE replacement size tires. If you're looking for aftermarket stuff, then you jump up to the ATX. So that is their designated all-terrain tire, but if you look at the styling, you're gonna see that it kinda is floating almost towards a hybrid that you might see from other manufacturers. So you get the benefits of it being a little bit quieter, but you still get some of the aggressive styling, which is why it's such a good tire for a lot of people. Those two, they make from a huge range, all the way down to 15-inch wheels up to 20-inch wheels. Those are also 3-peak mountain snowflake rated, so again, if you live in an area that requires that, you got that covered for you. They also make them in 2 different style sidewalls, so you can either get like the normal black sidewall that everybody runs, or if you want to do white letter tires, if you got more of a vintage build or something like that, you can also do that. The cool thing about those is they are so aggressive looking, but like I said, still give you good on-road performance too, and they also include up to a 60,000 mile tread wear warranty, which is something that you don't see on a lot of tires that have that kind of styling. And even when you get into like the flotation size tires, so the 35 by 1250 R20, even that has a 50,000 mile tread wear warranty, so that's pretty impressive. A lot of times you're seeing that only in the LT or metric sizes, but even when you get up to the big 35s, they're still giving you 50,000 miles of warranty, which is really impressive. They do also offer these in OEM replacement sizes too, because they're not absolutely ridiculous where you wouldn't want to run them on stock wheels or something like that if you're still saving up. But you can also go all the way up to 37s for 17s and for 20-inch wheels. So they have a huge variety in that all-terrain, kind of leaning towards hybrid tire for you there with the ATX. If you want to go more aggressive than that yet, which is what I did, these are the General Grabber X3s. So these are going to be a mud terrain tire. They're designated as a mud terrain tire, which means you have the best off-road performance. You sacrifice some on-road, just mostly in the noise department, but anytime you get a mud terrain tire, you gotta expect some sort of noise. Putting them on the Bronco here, I really noticed they're maybe only slightly, if not the same road noise as the tires that come on these things. So it's definitely by no means loud. They're just gonna be louder than your standard highway tire that you might have on your truck stock. So something to be aware of. Now, if you want to channel your inner race truck driver, Pro 2, Pro 4, they offer these things in red letter sidewalls, which I don't know if there's anybody else that's doing that. It's a super cool look. If you're doing like a race-inspired build, I think that's something super unique that you could do to kind of set yourself apart from the rest of the builds that are out there. They have mostly 17s, 18s, 20s, but they do go down in some limited sizes for 16s as well as 15s. They also have a 33 by 10.5 R15, so if you're an old school Toyota or Land Cruiser guy, that's probably a tire size you're looking for. You get that flotation size without having to do all the crazy metric conversions to get there, so that's super cool too. Even though it's a mud terrain tire, they still offer manufacturer warranty, so you don't have to be worried about that. You know, they're race-proven designs. People are literally buying these tires, slapping them on race trucks, heading up to Crandon, and winning races, which is something that's super cool to see. With that, you know, part of why they're so good off-road, it's the technology that gets put into it. It's a 3-ply sidewall, which is huge for the off-road world. You need that, so you're not puncturing tires and blowing out sidewalls. And they also have a really high void design and alternating shoulder lugs too, so you're getting the best traction, whether these things are aired up or aired down. So overall, those are kind of the 3 big ones from General as far as their tire lineup goes. So if you have more questions on these, you can check them out on the website, customoffsets.com. Shoot us a message, and we'll get you hooked up.